Samsung phone, how to add app to home screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can add apps to home screen on Samsung phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to add apps to your home screen on your Samsung phone, it's actually quite simple to do so. Normally what happens is that you can see this home screen over here. This is my home screen and I have 5 of the apps that I added to my favorite, and this is my app drawer. Let's say I want to add one of these apps to my home screen so that I can access them easily. So let's select YouTube, for example. All you have to do is long press and hold on it for a while, and you'll enable this option where you can select the option called add to home. Otherwise what you can do is long press and hold on it just like this, and after you do this for a while you should be able to find this option. If you don't, long press, tap on the add to home section, and they will get successfully added to your home screen on your Samsung device. This way you'll be able to add app to home screen on Samsung. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.